Maringa, KTN News.
All open court activities in Mombasa have been indefinitely suspended after 11 cases of COVID-19 were reported among court employees.
This comes as the country recorded 117 new cases in the last 24 hours, taking the national tally to 4,374.
Emmanuel Toh with the latest pandemic numbers.
Less than a week after courts were reopened in the country, the judiciary has made a U-turn. All open courts in Mombasa County will now be shut down after 11 staff members tested positive for coronavirus. The Chief Justice David Maraga, in a press statement, said the 11 patients include judiciary officers and registry staff. A contact tracing search targeting 118 people has already been launched. The situation now raises questions as to whether the country rushed to reopen the justice system.
We have 117 people who have tested positive for coronavirus disease over the past 24 hours from a sample size of 3,043. The new positive cases pushes now our confirmed cases to 4,374.
However, 91 recoveries were registered, pushing the number of recoveries to 1,550. 119 fatalities have so far been recorded after 2 more deaths. Lack of adequate facilities has slowed down the country's testing capacity, with the Ministry of Health having to rework its mass testing target.
We have only a certain number of equipment and human resources that can do these tests. In fact, doing 6,000 in 24 hours is quite a feat.
And with the government struggling to hit its testing target, some private facilities feel that the Ministry of Health has not fully involved them.
There are a lot of small hospitals in Nairobi which are doing secondary care, which are providing. We have agreement and tie-up with almost 40 hospitals in the whole Nairobi and also in the periphery of Nairobi.
Nairobi West Hospital making an appeal to the government to work closely with certified facilities to ramp up COVID-19 mass testing.
The government can actually figure out mechanisms to support the private sector to provide care so that we can reach literally everybody. Remember, right now, this facility has different services provided to patients or people who are potentially exposed to COVID-19.
Emmanuel Toh, KTN News, Nairobi.